Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, Ghost and Fun. Today is the day when I'm about to getting into game development. It's gonna be fun. And after this session today, I'll be definitely know much more about game development than ever before. Today, we're about to recreate very famous gameplay mechanic of a Ghost Recon Fun, the cover system. Alright, let's see how boring it is to watching me attempting to do something in Unreal Engine. Okay, here's the tutorial.
Sneak cover system. So when you are next to a wall, you can press the letter E and you can attach the character to the wall.
Yes, exactly.
And there is also the idle pose where the character is going to be standing still
Exactly,
like this.
this is what yes.
And the character is going to play the idle animation. You can move
yes.
your character to
Let's
the
go.
sides. And you can also sneak. Move
Absolutely, sneak. Come on,
when
let's
you
go.
are aiming.
Let's go.
So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get the event tick.
Eventic, okay. Line trace up. So we're starting straight from the blueprint. Maybe we need to go from new empty blueprint class. Whoa! It's already. An actor is knowledge that can be placed to spawn it in the. Let's study the video. Oh, it's an actor, just judging based on the icon. Or maybe it's a character, huh? A character is a type of phone that includes the ability to walk around. Huh? Is it a goddamn character icon? Yes. It's not an actor. So we're about to create a whole new... Yeah, blueprints. Create... Okay, let's use the same name convention. Oh, it's simply blueprint view. Okay. Alright then, maybe we can call it a cover system, huh? Cover system. Maybe let's go blueprint cover system. How is he open the blueprint? Okay, the video says, first step, setting up traces. Using the invent trick, we create traces to detect suitable walls to cover sneak. Okay, first let's finish creation of the blueprints. Alright. Is it right here? Oh, there we go, the event graph. Okay, we're right there. Right where we are supposed to be. Eventic. We have already an eventic. This might be gonna be easy. Then I thought, let's finish the first step in from the video.
Let's get it to a branch.
Okay, we need branch. We need branches. We need branch. Exactly. Delta in second. Okay, we need branch. There we go. Okay, branch. What is next?
I'm going to promote this condition to a variable, and I'm going to...
The collision condition. Okay, oh, yeah, promote. Okay. We have forget to connect those two. No. Wait. You're not disconnecting those two.
To name this variable name.
Where are you naming it? How do you gonna call it?
We can trace exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark. Maybe it's just a joke. Can trace? Yes.
Now I want to get a capsule trace for objects.
Okay, from true, we need capsule tray object. Capsule tray for object. There we go. How do I move? Oh, okay, right. Right mouse button, don't panic.
And here on viewport,
I think now we went into a trouble. So obviously we don't have our character here. We do have something. Maybe I'll figure out later how to get the character inside.
As you can see here, I can see my character visually. As you can see, I have an arrow here. You can simply add an arrow by going here on add. You can type here the name arrow, and you can simply attach it to the character. I don't need to.
We don't have. Is it going to be problematic? I don't think so, because since in the video he showed that he's attaching the arrow later, so I think we can do this later when we add the character. Maybe for testing purpose we might gonna need some character. Why we don't have the character here? It should be somewhere. Oh, not in the outliner. Game development, it's easy, huh? Which? Oh man, we have. Okay, we have character. We have mannequins. We have rigs. I think we need to go to the rigs, not on the meshes, not on the textures. Which one we need to edit? Do we need to edit? What will happen? Okay, I got off myself. I don't even know what is this, but it seems to be something related to a character. Listen, I'm about to figure out the character later. I don't know what is this construction script yet. Let's focus on the event graph. Maybe we can finish the blueprint first and maybe go later to the character, man. I don't know, but let's try this for now.
To do this because I already have mine here. So all you gotta do is just drag and drop the arrow to the map.
Make sure, let's read the note of the video at this step. Make sure to set the arrow to be attached out of the mesh. Okay, I think this is something very related to the current situation that we can do later.
Mesh, so it's going to attach it. Another thing that you have to notice is that the location.
Okay, there is some sort of settings on the location. So I think I can easily go back and set this up if I need.
On the Y is set to be 7 and on the Z is 100, so keep that in mind. Alright, here on the radius of the capsule trace for objects is going to be 41.
Maybe we would like to have this with the character right now, but I don't know, I'm just going to follow the video with the hope that the scale of the character from this tutorial is the same as the default Unreal Engine have as a default too. I mean that this is Unreal Engine, yes, definitely, but it's an old version, and it seems like this guy have put some skin. He's making the scale for the capsule, for the trace capsule for the object, according to his skin, I guess. I'll just gonna try to follow the video because I still don't know what I'm doing at all. Alright, let's continue. Radius 41. 30 for half height. 30.
You can promote
Object type, we're promoting object type. Okay, we've got. Man, the quartering, it's happening right now. What we got then promoted here, object type, and then
objects is going to be 41. And here on the half height is 30.
half height, okay, object type
You
promoted.
can promote all this.
Draw the bug type. Oh, it says in the notes, yeah. Okay, let's promote this one as well.
You can promote object types and drag the bug type to variable.
You put them down.
Compile. We're going to
Warning. Okay, warning.
add a new object type here. Compile again, save.
Compile. Okay. I didn't know we are compiling already, so I'm supposed to get also. Yeah, Okay, okay. It's compiled. Let me just set those two down so I can fall way more easy. We have selected object types, and from the details on object type we add a new. Why are we watching this in 720p? New array element.
Add a new object type here.
Okay, okay, easy. Compile.
Compile again, save. And yeah, now let's drag and drop our arrow.
Did we add a new arrow yet? No, we don't have a new arrow. Okay, let me watch a few steps back the video.
As you can see, I have an arrow here.
Here is something that it's not happening already in my blueprint. He's already have an additional arrow that I don't have it.
You can simply add an arrow by going here on add. You can type.
Oh, okay, well, we can add an arrow. Okay, we need to determine the location of the traces.
Type here the name arrow, and you can simply attach it to the character.
There you go. I'm about to think later how to attach to the character. He's showing into the video, but since I still don't have the character, I'll think about later.
So all you gotta do is just drag and drop the
Make sure to set the arrow to be attached as child of the mesh.
the arrow
Okay.
to the
Of
mesh.
Oh, on the mesh. So we need the mesh actually. Can we get the mesh here? So we don't need the rig. We need the mesh. SKM. Queen simple. Many simple. Okay, but which one should I input? The skeleton. I don't think we need the skeleton. Or everything is skeleton mesh. So which one I should? Can we just do this? Oh man, I need to ground this down, right? Can we move this one as well? Maybe we cannot, huh? Okay, then we can move this one, huh? This capsule is way too bigger. Maybe we can try radius 30 maybe. Is it get this even slimmer? I don't know. How about just 20? Just to check out if this is get. No, I don't think, man. I don't think this is getting even slimmer, the capsule. So what are we doing here? Is this radius and how height setting the capsule size? Actually, do we need even this sample? Wait, hold on. So simply in his case, he just have mesh character mesh. I think we already have this one. Yes, we do already have this one. I'll delete this one. Drag and drop. Make it a child. For now, let's forget about the character appearance and let's continue with the tutorial as focusing on the technical part.
Yeah, now let's drag and drop our arrow.
Okay, so now is the time when we drag and drop the arrow. Let's get back to the graph. Okay, what do we do with the arrow?
Arrow component. We're going to get the socket location.
Okay, socket. Just socket location.
So it's going to grab the location of this arrow here.
Okay, grab the
And
location.
I'm going to plug that
Plug this.
into the start, but before that we're going to subtract it.
We need the subtractor. Okay, return value. First we need subtractor and then restart. Let's go whatever from here. Subtract, okay, subtract. Yeah, is the big one. And connecting this to the start, right?
I think it's just subtract.
One more. Okay. I'm just going to follow this one because maybe later I'm gonna need this. Maybe not. I don't know. Use subtract. Okay. That's to the end, right?
At least that's the way I did it.
What we have selected? Gen trace. Default value. Yes. Oh man, everything is... No! Go to back type, okay. I want frame.
This should be for one frame. So now you can see the line trace, sorry, the capsule trace. And as soon as I approach a wall like this,
okay, this is something that right now I'm not able to try out. We do have a character, but how can I place this? I don't know yet. Okay, listen up. This is something that I'm going to leave for next video. I'll definitely first figure it out, and later on I'm going also to show in the video. I feel already overwhelmed with game development. In case you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, thanks for watching. This is me, Sasho from Sasho Media YouTube channel. Ghost Recon Phantoms. God damn it, this is so cringe.